Did you know that a tiny tablespoon of chia seeds could revolutionize your health in ways you never imagined? These little black and white powerhouses may look ordinary, but they pack an extraordinary nutritional punch. From aiding digestion to boosting energy and improving heart health, chia seeds truly live up to their superfood status. In this video, we're unveiling 8 remarkable things that happen to your body when you consume just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds daily. Stick around until the end, where we'll share a simple and delicious recipe to help you effortlessly include chia seeds in your diet. Let's dive in. Number 1. Boosts digestive health. Chia seeds are like a natural elixir for your gut. Packed with soluble fiber, these seeds swell into a gel-like consistency when mixed with water. This gel moves through your digestive tract slowly, creating a soothing effect on your gut lining and ensuring smoother digestion. Think of it as a gentle scrub for your intestines, sweeping away toxins and promoting regular bowel movements. Plus, their mucilage content supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, making your digestive system feel like it's on a spa retreat. Number 2. Supports heart health. Just a tablespoon of chia seeds is a game changer for your heart. Loaded with potassium, they help relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and maintain healthy blood pressure. They're also rich in magnesium, which keeps your heart beating in perfect rhythm. And here's a cool fact. Studies show that chia seeds can help reduce systolic blood pressure in individuals with type 2 diabetes, making them a true ally for heart health. Number 3. Stabilizes blood sugar. Do you experience energy crashes? Chia seeds are here to save the day. Thanks to their soluble fiber, they slow down carbohydrate digestion, ensuring a steady release of glucose into your bloodstream. This prevents sudden spikes and crashes, keeping you energized throughout the day. Chia seeds are also a great source of magnesium, which improves insulin sensitivity and supports balanced blood sugar levels. A perfect combo for staying steady and sharp. Number 4. Strengthens bones. Chia seeds are brimming with phosphorus and boron, 2 unsung heroes of bone health. While phosphorus strengthens your bones alongside calcium, boron ensures your body absorbs these nutrients efficiently. Not to mention, the omega-3s in chia seeds reduce inflammation, protecting your bones from deterioration over time. Think of them as tiny guardians of your skeletal system. Number 5. Enhances skin health. Chia seeds are a skincare secret in disguise. Rich in omega-6 fatty acids and selenium, they strengthen your skin's barrier, locking in moisture and protecting against environmental damage. They're hydrophilic. Properties attract water, plumping your skin and improving elasticity from the inside out. Say hello to radiant, hydrated skin naturally. Number 6. Aids weight management. Struggling with cravings? The fiber in chia seeds expands in your stomach, keeping you fuller for longer and naturally curbing your appetite. Plus, the tryptophan they contain helps regulate serotonin levels, reducing stress-induced snacking. Add to that their role in stabilizing blood sugar, and you've got a powerful ally in maintaining a healthy weight without feeling deprived. Number 7. Boosts energy and stamina. Need an energy boost? Ancient warriors and runners relied on chia seeds for sustained energy, and you can too. Their slow-digesting carbohydrates and thiamine ensure a steady release of energy, powering you through workouts or busy days without a crash. Packed with potassium, chia seeds also replenish electrolytes, keeping muscle fatigue at bay. Number 8. Improves brain function. Chia seeds are brain food. Thanks to their rich omega-3 content, these fatty acids enhance brain cell communication, improving memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. With added iron and antioxidants like quercetin, chia seeds ensure your brain gets the oxygen and protection it needs to stay sharp and resilient against age-related decline. Chia seeds may be small, but they're packed with potential. Ready to transform your health 1 tablespoon at a time? Try adding them to your routine and let us know how it goes.